Hi, we're about to look at example number 2. And in example number 2, we're going to take a look at number 7 here. And we want to find out what is the measure of angle FGI. Well, in our last example, I told you that FGI, since it's got 3 letters, would be a major arc. So it starts at F, it goes to G, and then continues on around to I. If we said FI, we would have assumed this little tiny arc, but this is a major arc that goes all the way around. So we want to find that measure. All right, we got some different stuff going on here. We don't have central angles like we did in number 4. Here we have an inscribed angle, and an inscribed angle is different than, I'm sorry, an inscribed angle is different than a central angle in that the measure of the arc is not the same as the measure of the angle. Like this is 39 degrees, but this is not 39 degrees. Whereas with the central angle, if this was 55, then this was also 55. So that's a difference in this type of problem. Okay, so in this one, instead of this angle being the same as this arc, this angle is half of this arc. So if GIH is 39 degrees, then GH is 39 times 2 because this angle, the inscribed angle, is half of the arc. So 39 times 2 is 78 degrees. So arc GH is 78 degrees. All right, now we're looking for FGI all the way around, and I don't know that I even needed GH for that problem. That is going to be the next one, which I just figured out, so I'll go ahead and put the answer there. But for FGI, all I needed to know was that all the way around a circle is 360 degrees, but this much is left out of FGI, and that's 18 degrees. I don't know if you can see that very well. It's so tiny, but that's 18 degrees. So 360, a whole circle, minus 18 degrees is 342 degrees. So the major arc FGI is 342 degrees. And I started to find this first because then I was going to go back and add up, but I realized I don't have anything besides this and this. But, like I said, this is the whole circle minus just this one part. So that's how I found that one. So sometimes you have to use deductive reasoning. It's not just all about finding it. Sometimes it's about figuring it out, okay? So that is example 2 from week 17 slides. I was going to tell you the slide number, but I don't remember it. But it's example 2.